Hey there tech fans, Rick here from the OREI team with an overview of the UKM-301C 3x1 Ultra High Definition KVM Switch. This product allows you to very quickly select from up to one USB-C media device and two standard HDMI media devices and send the output of that device to a single monitor. It also provides for the switching of keyboards, mice, and storage devices when you make that selection. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with an unboxing of the product just to show you all the components are included with the kit, and then I'll take a closer look at those components and explain exactly what they do. I'll list the audio and video standards the product can support, and then finally, I'll come back and actually install the product here to show you just how simple it is to use. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the KVM switch. You'll also find a power supply, standard connector in this end you can plug into any wall outlet. The other end has a micro USB connection on it, which plugs into the back of the KVM switch. That'll supply all the power you need to operate the product. It'll also allow you to charge that USB-C device out the front. Also included is a full instruction manual, which has connection diagrams and specifications and all the other information you'll need to understand exactly how to use this product. Now, if you stay tuned, next I'll take a closer look at all the components and explain exactly what they do. Inside the kit, you'll find the KVM switch, a 5-volt DC 3-amp power supply. This end plugs into any wall outlet. The other end has a micro USB connection on it. That plugs into the back of the switch, and that's all the power you'll need to operate the product. Also included is a full instruction manual, which lists diagrams for connections, specifications, and all the information you'll need to understand exactly how to use this with your own products. Now I'll take a closer look at the KVM switch. Starting on the front of the unit, on the left-hand side, you'll find a USB-C connection. That's input number 1 and can be used with any phone, tablet, or computer that's compatible. To the right of that are 3 LED indicators, letting you know which of the inputs is currently selected, and you can step through those by tapping the select button on the top. Every time you tap that, you'll move to the next input and eventually back to number 1. On the rear of the unit is where all the connections are made. On the left-hand side, you'll find a DC power port. That's used with the included power supply. You'll plug the power supply into any wall outlet. The other end of that cable has a micro USB connection on it. That plugs in here, and that's all the power you'll need to operate the product. To the right of that are 2 more sets of inputs, input number 2 and input number 3, and you'll find an HDMI connection as well as a USB connection. And these are connected to the 2 other media devices that you'd like to use with the KVM switch. You'll plug the HDMI in here, and if you have a peripheral connected, you'll plug it in there. To the right of those input ports are 2 more USB ports. These are shared by all the peripherals. So you can use pretty much any external peripheral that connects through USB-A on either one of these ports. You can use a Bluetooth adapter here for a keyboard and mouse, and maybe a thumb drive here for local storage. To the right of that is the HDMI output port. You'll connect a short cable from here to your monitor, and that's your output device. On the bottom, you'll find some rubber feet, which prevent it from scratching any surface you put it down on. It'll also hold it in place when you're tapping the button. And that's pretty much all there is to it. The OREI UKM-301C 3x1 Ultra High Definition KVM Switch supports virtually all HDMI media devices, including laptops, game systems, smartphones, tablets, and media players. The product features full support for HDMI, USB-C, and USB-A switching. It provides pass-through USB-C power for charging your devices. It can support resolutions up to ultra high definition 4K media. It's USB 3.1 compliant and provides full support for audio standards including Dolby True HD, PCM, DTS HD Master Audio up to 7.1 channels. Now I'll show you the connections you'll need to make to use the UKM-301C with your own equipment. For this demonstration, I have 3 media devices set up, 2 small media players over there, both of which are connecting through HDMI. I have a laptop set up over here. This connects over USB-C. I've set up a monitor as my output device, again another HDMI connection, and I have 2 small USB devices here, a Bluetooth adapter that allows me to use my keyboard and my mouse, and a thumb drive for local storage. Both of these will plug into the USB input ports in the back and be shared by all the devices. Now you can make these connections in any order you like, but I like to start with the input connections first, then the output connections, and then add power last, and that allows the unit to go through its power and self-test to give you the best possible picture. So let's start with the 2 media player inputs. I've connected HDMI cables up to them, and I'll connect those to input number 2 and input number 3 in the back of the unit. Now I'll connect up input number 1 on the front. It's a USB-C connection from the laptop. Then I'll plug in both of these USB devices into the back of the unit. That's the Bluetooth adapter. There's the thumb drive. And then finally, I'll connect up the monitor. Again, I've connected up a short HDMI cable to that, and I'll plug that into the HDMI output port in the back. Now everything's connected except for the power. I've got that plugged in. It's got a micro USB connection on the end, and that plugs right into the back of the unit. Now once you make that connection, the power on self-test starts, and it immediately is checking the resolution of the input device, number 1 at this point, against the output resolution, what the monitor can display, and it's switching it over. So you can see that display move to this monitor over here. Now if I tap this button, it'll actually switch to the second input, which is one of the 2 media players, and it takes a second because again, it's checking the input resolution against the output resolution and making whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture. And that's going to be input number 2. Now I'll switch it one more time to input number 3, and it's over on the second media player over there, checking the resolution of that against the monitor, and I've purposely set those up in different resolutions so it can make the adjustments as needed. So there's input number 3. Now let me switch back to input number 1, and I've got a keyboard and a mouse here that will allow me to actually control the monitor, and you'll see in a second how the mouse is moving around. And if I click on this, that's the storage device, and inside that storage device I've got a bunch of different files. Let me click this one, which is a video, and there you go. So you can see the keyboard and the mouse are working through that Bluetooth adapter. I've also accessed the storage, which is on the thumb drive from the computer. So it is really just that simple to get it working, and it gives you a lot of flexibility. I hope you found this overview of the UKM-301C 3x1 Ultra High Definition KVM Switch helpful. It really does provide a very simple way of allowing you to quickly select between 3 different media devices, one of which can be connected over USB-C and the other 2 over a standard HDMI connection, and it will send the output of that device to a single monitor. And the fact that it also switches your keyboard, your mouse, and your storage devices means that it's the ultimate in convenience. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks for watching.